Welcome! In this video, we are going to look at problem 74. It is from the Chapter 3 Review Exercises of College Algebra by OpenStax. Okay, and for this one, we need to use a graphing utility to determine whether each function is one-to-one. Okay, so we have f of x is minus 3x squared plus x. All right, one such graphing utility is either a calculator or an online one is the Desmos graphing calculator, and that's what I used. And this is what it looked like. And so we're going to use the horizontal line test. And so any of these will be easy to draw. So let's see. If I go across here, then I can see this point and this point. So the horizontal line intersects the graph more than once. So that means the function is not one-to-one. So we can say not one-to-one. A horizontal line intersects the graph in more than one place. So intersects the graph in more than one place. And so it fails the horizontal line test. All right, I hope that was helpful and informative. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.